In this video, I am going to show you on how you can merge tasks in ClickUp. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Next, on your main dashboard, select the project that has the task that you wish to merge. I have this sample project, for example. Now, select some of the tasks right here. Any task can do. After that, you should see this pop up on your screen. Now, what you're going to do is click on More, and then from the pop up menu, click on Merge Task. Now, you're going to search for the task name, ID, or URL that you want to merge this into. Click one, then merge. After that, as you can see, all those tasks are now successfully merged right here. And that's it. So, if you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.